Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing some work today on a couple of my vehicles. I just want to bring y'all along and show you little clips here and there on this first vehicle here. This is my 97 F-150, and I got a caliper. And I took it off right here, and it was sticking here, and so we got to put a new caliper on. But I want to show y'all a quick tip and some quick information here. It might help you out. When you take your brake line off and take your bolt out, just get your valve stem and push in your brake hose and brake line right there, and they'll keep your brake fluid from running out, and until you get your caliper back on. In case you got, like me, I gotta go get me one, so I don't want all my fluid run out. So that's just a quick tip, help you out there. The other thing is, if you don't know if your brake caliper sticking or your brake hose is collapsed, causing your caliper to not release, I can show you a quick way to determine which it is. So if you can't turn, say this rotor right here, your spindle, if you can't turn it, and it's bound up, more likely it's going to be one of the two. Most times it's going to be brake caliper. But what you can do right here on your bleeder screw, just break that bleeder screw loose with your wrench and see if you can turn that. If you can't turn it, that once you break that bleeder screw, then it's going to be a stuck caliper. It's going to be a problem. Now if you break that bleeder screw loose and that fluid comes out, and then you can turn it, that means your brake hose right here is collapsed, and you just need to put a new brake hose on. It's not going to be your caliper. So I hope that helps somebody out. Let me just walk in on out here real quick, and I've got the other car in the shop having a lot of stuff having to do on this Subaru, the 2017 Subaru Forester. It's got, I think, about 61,000 miles on it now, and we got to do some more maintenance. And right now I'm just doing an oil change on it, and got it draining here already, and I got my tires and everything off. So I'm going to be putting them tires on today, doing the oil change right now, and if we can get ready back here to change the rear differential gear oil out. And I got videos showing me doing that, and the front differential I'm going to be doing that day, in the transaxle CVT fluid. And I'm not going to go through the process showing you all that today. I'm just going to show you what the fluid looks like. That's the main reason I want to show you this part of it. Just got a little bit, probably 31,000 miles on this. I'm going to show you what that fluid looks like when I break it open there. So let me get my wrench and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm going to break this fill plug here. I'm going to break it loose first. Pretty snug. So got that broken loose. I'm just going to go ahead and break this in here loose, the drain. Alright. So we're going to see what this fluid looks like after basically 31,000 miles. What kind of condition it's in. Looks like almost brand new, y'all. Looks really good. Y'all can see it's not dark, and that's what you can expect. You do your maintenance and on the right intervals and stuff. And I'm not sure what Subaru recommends on that. I just do mine at 30,000 miles. I feel that's you know, adequate to change it out. But you can see how clear that fluid is right there. So I just want to show y'all that. And let's see right here, Austin, show them this here. If y'all can see that right there, that's the magnet right here on the drain plug. And you can see right there, you got a little bit of metal sludge right there, which is very minimal. That's going to be normal. So we're good to go on this. I'm just going to go ahead and get the rest of this drained here and get my new gear oil back in it. And then we'll go to the front and check it out. Alright, we'll be back in a little while. Alright y'all, on the front here, I'm fixing to take this drain plug out of this front differential. And right here, I've done taking this plug out right here. This is the overflow. When I fill it back up, we'll have gear oil coming out here. It lets me know when it's full. So I'm fixing to take this out here. Like I said, I got a video on doing this front differential gear oil, showing all the specs, all the specs as far as the fluid and also the tools I use and everything. If y'all want to check that out. Just this here is just to show you what this looks like after about 31,000 miles. I did the first change around 30 and it's got about 61 on it now. And I just want to show you what this gear oil looks like at 61,000 miles. Like I said, I changed it first at 30. So it's got about 31,000 miles on it. You see right there, it still looks real good and clean. And that's what I expect, you know. That's what'll happen when you do good maintenance on your vehicle. It helps keep them running longer. And let me just walk out here, show you this plug here. Get you some light here so we can see here. You can see right there, right in this very corner, we got a little metal sludge right here. You can see it right there on my thumb. That's normal. It looks real good. I just had just a little bit on it. And there's that magnet right there. Just a little bit of that sludge. So just want to show y'all that. And once I get done that, I'm going to go ahead and get my CVT fluid change, and I'll show you all the color of that too when it comes out. But anyway, I'll just show you that right there. So I'll be back after I get this done, and I'll show you the CVT fluid, what it looks like. Y'all, I'm fixing to take this drain plug out of this CVT, drain this fluid out. We're going to take a look, see how that fluid looks. Y'all see right there on my hands how clean it looks. That's 31,000 miles on it. And we got right now, explain 61,000 miles on the vehicle, but that's how I changed it about 30,000 miles ago, so still looks good. And just want to show y'all what that fluid looks like. Alright y'all, just developed a leak on my lift here. I got this car in the air, and I went to raise it up some more, and I sprung a leak right here on my hydraulic cylinder. So I'm going to have to replace that cylinder or try to get it rebuilt there if I can get a kit for it. Alright y'all, just got through putting these tires on my car, and so we're going to be wrapping it up today for the maintenance and everything on it. Got everything done that I needed to get done on it. Like I showed you earlier, did the rear differential gear oil and the front differential gear oil, and also the CVT fluid, got it all changed out and everything's good on that. And then just got finished on these tires to put on, mounted and balanced them there. These are, let me spin it here, you can see it. These are Summit tires. They're Trail Climber SUV 2. And I ordered these off Amazon. I also placed my valve stems for my TPMS sensors there. I also got those off of Amazon. And this is the first time ever buying these. And Hope they'll do pretty good. I'll just show you the tread design right there. Just a pretty common tread design, and they balanced out real good. I think most any of them took was like maybe an ounce and one I think might took 1.5 ounces on one plane. Most of them took like 1 ounce on each side, 3/4 ounce. So they balanced out real well. So I was happy about that. And so yeah, I just want to end this video here. I just want to bring y'all along today. I told y'all I was going to show you a little maintenance and stuff I had to do on my Subaru. And you can look back at my other videos. I gave more detailed information about how to actually do all that, what I've done today. But the main thing today, I just want to show you what that fluid looked like. And it looked great. So it might be interest to some of you. Some of you, have got Subarus. It's just kind of, just wondering about that kind of thing after, maintenance of how, fluid looks and stuff. But anyway, that's the life of any kind of equipment, just your maintenance. You invest a little money in it, and you save you some money in the long run. But hey, I appreciate y'all coming along. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.